Hello everyone, this is Banya Ojok, Assistive Technology User Fellow of International Disability Alliance. I am based in Uganda. I am visually impaired and I use braille displays and screen readers for my daily activities. They have enhanced my educational journey and now they facilitate my access to information and enable me perform my job assignments. Despite huge advancements in AT sector, there is a growing concern that all people with disabilities do not have access to AT, particularly those from underrepresented disability groups have least access to assistive technology. Disability movement identifies one of the reasons might be limited participation of these groups in decision-making processes around AT-related policy making, programming, and other activities. For example, research, innovation, production and designing, etc. Aiming to bridge the gaps under the project titled Positioning OPDs as Equal Partners on Assistive Technologies, I and 4 other IDA-GDI Hub Assistive Technology User Fellow are bringing the voices of diverse disability groups, collecting evidence and supporting empowerment of AT movement in 4 regions, namely Africa, Asia, Latin America, Middle East, and North Africa. We are providing technical support to the AT stakeholders. We will develop an online survey from AT user perspective and an online course on assistive technology aiming to support the capacity building of persons with disabilities and their representative organizations. We are benefiting from the IDA-GDI Hub Fellowship Program through plenty of exposure and learning opportunities. Our collective goal is to improve access to persons with disabilities to assistive technologies with meaningful participation of AT users and OPDs in AT-related policies and programming. I believe the AT movement will be engaged meaningfully in legal harmonization, programming, budgeting, innovation, research, and production.